Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to try something different for morning work in our routine. So first thing you're going to need is a blank piece of paper. Miss Reckelhoff already has hers here at the table. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper into 4 pieces. So remember how we do our hamburger fold? Line up the corners. So we fold it one way. Now we're going to fold it again. Okay, so now we have a small rectangle. When we open it, we're going to have 4 squares. See the 4 squares there? You're going to take a pencil or a crayon, and go ahead and make the lines so that we know there are 4 spaces there. And then, boys and girls, I have to tell you about my evening at home. Mrs. Reckelhoff made spaghetti for dinner, and after dinner I decided it would be fun to make cookies. So I don't know if you saw the cookies laying here on the table. But Mrs. Reckelhoff baked these cookies. And so, if you look, I have 3 of the snickerdoodle cookies. Those are like a cinnamon cookie. Mr. Reckelhoff really likes them. So what I want you to do, I want you to, in the first box here, draw the 3 snickerdoodles. Okay? So I have 3 circles for my 3 snickerdoodle cookies. Next, I baked oatmeal raisin cookies, and those are Mr. Reckelhoff's favorite cookies. He almost ate all of them. These are the only ones that are left. So these are the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I want to know is how many cookies are in all. So on your paper, now I want you to draw the 7. I have my picture that goes along with my addition sentence, my addition problem. And remember, I want to find the sum of how many cookies are in all. So down here at this part right here, you are going to write your addition sentence. It is going to have a number with the plus, another number is equal to, and then you're going to find the sum. Remember, I had 3 snickerdoodles and 7 of the oatmeal raisin cookies. I want to know how many cookies in all. That, boys and girls, is your first block. Next, we're going to go over here. Now, I've told you some funny stories about my kids. There's Abby, Hannah, and Stella. Well, Hannah is the 3-year-old, and she loves My Little Pony. She doesn't know it, but I am borrowing her My Little Ponies this evening. And I want to know how many ponies she has in all. Again, another addition sentence. So we're going to start with the biggest pony. And then we have these other, they're kind of medium ponies. And if you look here, I want you to find out how many ponies are right here. And then on your paper, I want you to draw the ponies. You can just draw circles. How many big and medium ponies we have. So look, we have a green and 2 pink. So we have 3 ponies. These are not Hannah's favorite. Hannah's favorite are the little ponies. And they are the ponies that come from blind bags. So, who's this one?
Applejack.
Applejack. This one's just a unicorn. She likes that. Rainbow Dash. And this one has an ice cream cone on it. Do we know who this one is?
No
I don't
clue.
know who that one is. So over here, I want you to draw how many small ponies she has. Again, you are going to write your addition sentence to find the sum of how many ponies did Hannah let me borrow in all. There we go. Remember, these are my addition sentences, or we can also call it an equation. And the answer is going to be the sum. How many in all? This side over here are the cookies, and this side over here are the ponies. Boys and girls, at the bottom, there are 2 extra spaces at the bottom of the paper. Excuse Mr. Reckelhoff.
I'm sorry.
There's 2 extra spaces at the bottom of your paper. I want you to make your own problem. So like Mr. Reckelhoff had cookies and ponies, you can make your own 2 problems about any other things that you want. Maybe some of your toys, some of the food that you like. You can make whatever problems you want to make.
How many people are on your shirt?
Well, that's easy. They just have to count. They need to have an addition sentence or an equation, adding the people maybe on my shirt and the people in the room, or something of that sort.
Thank you, Mrs. Reckelhoff.
You're welcome. While you are working on this, I am going to read you a story. And I wanted to tell you, Abby has been bringing these books home from her school. And so I was going to read one of these. And there's the first one. This one is called Waking Up. Boys and girls, if I'm reading this and you know how to read along with me, you are more than welcome to read along while we read the story. It's called Waking Up, and it has a barn, and I'm thinking it has some animals on the farm, in the barn. And again, this is Waking Up. The rooster wakes up. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The cow wakes up. Moo, moo. The pig wakes up. Oink, oink. The horse wakes up. Neigh, neigh. The turkey wakes up. Gobble, gobble. The sheep wakes up. Ba, ba. The duck wakes up. Quack, quack. And the chick wakes up. Peep, peep. What did you guys think? Did you like the story? It was a little bit easy, I think. A lot of sight words that we already know. Would you like to read one more story before we go? Mr. Reckelhoff said yes. We're going to read Frog Food. And this is from the Froggy and Friends series, boys and girls. It's, oh, these ponies are in the way. Frog Food. And remember, this is the character Froggy. I like bugs on pancakes. Oh, jeez. My tummy's gonna start turning already. I like bugs on popcorn. I like bugs on soup. I like bugs on bread. Boys and girls, notice how the pictures over here are helping me with the words that might be a little bit hard. I like bugs on pizza. I like bugs on salad. I like bugs on cake. I like bugs. That froggy's kind of silly. He sure does like bugs, doesn't he? Boys and girls, before announcements begin, I would really like for your paper that we started earlier to be finished. This was our problem with the cookies. 3 snickerdoodles and 7 oatmeal raisin cookies. This is the problem with the ponies. Remember, there were 3 large ponies and then some more ponies because Hannah loves these little ponies. So how many little ponies came? Draw the picture and make the equation down here at the bottom. And then at the very bottom there are 2 more spaces that I would like for you to make your own problems. If you get finished and you have time, you can write your own sentences to go along with the equations, the number addition sentences. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand. Miss Reckelhoff will help you as soon as she can, and otherwise you may be able to ask a partner if they know. Boys and girls, we're going to have a great day today. I am so excited, and if you liked this video, let me know so that we can make some more and have more fun in the morning doing these. Let's have a great day.